here. I'm Cameron, and today in this video we are going to be working on that pit bike right there. Got some nice sick graphics, bar pads, some extra monster stickers, but I'm waiting for a package right now, and isn't that it? It better come today because we just got some new rear suspension for the pitter right there. So I'm going to be swapping that out. Jeez, loud cars, hate them. So I'm going to power wash this thing first because it's really muddy, and I'm going to swap the bars out. These nice BMX bars, these little taller, a little wider, so I think it'll work out a little better, and can't wait to put these graphics on. It's gonna be sick. Peeling off all of these stickers that we just put on, like not even a week ago. There's two of them, nice. They're like nice stickers, so you don't leave any residue on it. And gotta take this bar pad off. I need this OEM KX85 one right here. But I'm gonna power wash her and start putting new graphics on and wait for the new shock. Cause I'll show you guys that one right now. Here's the shock. Like way up there, this top piece keeps on coming down, so it's rock hard. Like you can't even press it down; it's that hard. So let me hook up the hose. It is hot as balls outside, but I just cleaned this pitter up really nice. She's looking beautiful. Nice and shiny, back green plastics. I love it. So I'm gonna dry her down real quick to get all the water off, so I can put the graphics. She's looking squeaky clean, nice and shiny. You gotta dry it so all the dirt doesn't just stay on there. Just a little quick wipe down. Nice and easy. So I'm so excited for these graphics. The graphics are ridiculously sick. So I'm gonna go try her down a little bit. Let's crack these graphics open real quick. These look beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna pop a squat for these. So I just got some plain, the monster ones. Got a little glitch thing going on, as you can see right there. So let me set this up real quick. Ooh. And for the front, back, side, it's for the swing arm. This one did rent off. These gas tank, these aren't gonna fit on this gas tank because this isn't a KLX 110 gas tank. It's a Chinese Coolster one, but I just got the KLX 110 plastic that fit perfect. But I'm not gonna be able to use those two. And my fave. Oh my God. Number plate, side panels, front, back, and another side panel. So I think I'm gonna start with the front one right here because I think that'll be the easiest, and just start off from there. So I'm gonna start out with the front ones. This is my second time doing graphics. I did it on my KX85. Came out really good. So let's put them on here. Was it at the same time? Perfect. Just wanna make sure. Poke this little hole out, bam. So sticky. Take it all off. I'm just gonna start from the bottom because you can put these little things right here. not so bad. Get all the air bubbles out. Like cut it. Just got the front on, looks like crap. Got a bunch of air bubbles in it, I don't know. Not the best at it. You guys can probably kind of see it. But I might just wait for my dad to do the rest. But I don't know, I'm kind of sad that looks so ugly. There's a nipple in it right there. I'm gonna try to fix that and maybe just put the front ones on, make it easy. And that's pretty much it for right now. The front fender came out excellent, perfect, lined it up, perfect. No air bubbles. But I think the front one got all messed up because I pulled it off, tried to get the air bubbles out because I spray painted the thing black. But this one shouldn't be that hard to do. Yeah, it's just really hard. Got to get it perfect right in there. So that's going to be a little tricky. But looking pretty good, looking pretty good. I'm waiting for this shock to come in. If not, it's coming tomorrow for sure. So we can bring it up north and rip it. I'm gonna put this boy on right here. Got these nice sponsors on. Monster Energy, NGK, Uni, Dead, Henson, Rental, and I still have to swap the bars. I don't want to swap them, too much work. Because you got to unscrew these and there's a bolt way at the bottom. They have to hold too, so that's kind of hard. I'm gonna swap it out with those bars right there. They're like 1.5 inches taller and probably the same width, I think. So I'm going to swap that next. And where's the pro taper? Got a pro taper bar pad. So let me finish putting this rear on right here. You guys probably don't want to watch it, just put on some graphics because I get kind of mad and outraged a little bit. Because if there's an air bubble, I get mad. I'm a perfectionist. It has to look perfect. But I'm just going to put this on right here. Just a little update. Got the back fender on. I think it came out great. There's not... There's no air bubbles at all. Just goes down a little bit right there. It's probably I got scared for a second. This one's perfect, I think. Came out perfect. Lined it up pretty good. Back's lined up perfectly. Goes in the center. And down there's pretty good. A couple of air bubbles you can pop out. Front, it's not that bad. Still wish I could have done a little better. I'm sorry. No, I like it a lot. It's coming out good. Excited to put these ones on right here. I need to line it up perfect with the edge of this, or it won't look that good because those lines got to match perfect. Dude, I just power wash it and dirty. New Kickstarter, I think it's ugly. Kick it back, gets stuck behind there. And this shock. New tires coming soon. Gotta get some Dunlop, Geomag, M12s, or whatever it's called. But this is my progress so far. Someone just prank called me and interrupted my little video I was recording, but she looking beautiful. I just gotta wipe it off. Got some dirt on there on the outside a little bit. But we're gonna get some 53 numbers for each side. I don't know. There has to be some small numbers. But almost got one full side done. I got the rear fender done. Right. Where is it? Where's my finger? Right there. And I got the side, the front number plate, front fender. Ready for that suspension. And I want a seat cover really bad, so one day I'll get that. But graphics don't look that bad. For me, I thought the graphics were gonna come out a lot worse than they actually are right now, because I just can't do it at all. I get mad, and the air bubbles, there's a bunch of air bubbles almost, but it's coming out pretty good. I'm kind of happy, but I'm gonna keep on working so I can get this done before it gets dark out, because just got 3 more things to do and switch the bars. That should be pretty easy. Actually, I'm gonna switch the bars right now so I can get that over with, because I got to do a lot of unbolting and stuff. So let's get started doing that. This Pitbike looking fresh. Got a little KTM 4 Joker over there. But I just got this bar pad, and there's no slot in it, so you can't just slip it on. Does anyone know how you can do that? Do you just cut your own? Well, obviously you're gonna have to cut your own, but I don't know what to do. Should use a freshie. I guess I'm gonna cut this bar pad right here just with a normal steak knife. You just gotta cut a nice steak with. Or if I'll cut nice. But here's the finished product of these graphics. I just searched up on eBay for some Monster Energy, or I looked up KLX 110 graphics, and these are what came up. I put those numbers on, but these are what came up. So these are my favorite. It reminded me of the unicorn from Ken Block's car. That's what it reminded me of, and it came with a Pro Taper bar pad and a whole sheet of monster stickers. I use that one right there. But. And we're waiting for some 4-inch numbers on for the side for number 5 and 3. So that's that right there, but it's beautiful. Maybe change out this right here. I don't really like that. It's like yellowish kind of. So probably change out that. And what else is there? Suspension's coming in tomorrow. Maybe a new shifter, different color shifter. And looking perfect. Finally just got done with my graphics on my pit bike. It's looking awesome right now. I love it. I'll show you guys in a minute, but it came out really good. I thought I was going to have a lot of air bubbles and mess it up, but it came out perfect. I can't stop staring at it. We'll get a new suspension. I want a new kickstart. That thing's ugly. And maybe a Pro Circuit exhaust pipe. They're like $250, so probably not anytime soon. You have to save up for that. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. About to cry.